Hold, please. Hello, this is Chuck. What? When did this happen? You know, it didn't have to come to this. Yeah. Hey guys, Chuck Shive here with Onsrud Chips and Tips. Let's talk about tool breakage. And let's talk about some simple tips and tricks on how we can avoid it from happening. Everyone at some point is going to break a tool, and it's always at the most inconvenient time. Maybe you're cutting new material, or perhaps you just don't have your feeds and speeds dialed in, and then snap. So you go grab another new router bit, you chuck it up, and off you go, and then snap, it happens again. There are many things that can lead to tool breakage, and sometimes it's self-inflicted. But you say, Chuck, I've got my feeds and speeds set right on the money, and my material's not moving, and we've been slinging chips consistently all week. So what gives? I must have gotten a bad batch of router bits. Well, let's think about it for a minute. It is possible it was a bad batch. Sometimes router bits aren't manufactured correctly, especially the cheaply made ones. So anything is possible, but it's not common, and it's probably not the culprit. Most likely, both router bits were just fine. So now, where do we look to find the problem? The first place I always look is right here. Yep, your collet could be the reason. Maintaining and cleaning your bits, tool holders, and collets is key to longer bit life, better part finishes, and also helps your spindle. Every shop needs to have regular preventative maintenance schedules for their tooling as well as their machines. Collets should generally be replaced every 3 months. That's 90 days based on 8 hours a day of usage. What happens is you're running production over long periods of time and your tools begin to build up with resin, and it gets into your holders and into your collets. This buildup can slightly throw your tools out of balance and prevent them from running as true as they should be. That which in turn wears out your collets and causes the bits to break. Now, properly maintaining your tool holders and collets and replacing them regularly will ensure your operation runs consistently and smoothly. That helps prevent bit breakage. So step up or step down the frequency on maintaining your tools and replace those collets. And if you're looking for replacement tool holders, router bits, and collets, check out our online store at onsrudtooling.com. If you have questions or comments, feel free to send us a chat online anytime. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, be safe, stay healthy. I'm Chuck Shive. Thanks for tuning in.